Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for the tutorial how to set as Google Chrome to be your default browser on your mobile phone Xiaomi, here I use the Xiaomi Phone Redmi Note series, and how to change the default browser to be Google Chrome. Okay, follow the step and don't skip anything. Okay, first of all, go to the setting menu on your mobile phone, and then scroll up and select app setting. Then go to manage app, tap on three line upper on the right, tap on it and select the default app, and you can tap on browser and change it from my browser to the Google Chrome like this. And let's try it to open the, for example, I'm here use to open the link download like this. Now you can see it's open with the Google Chrome like this. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.